How to register your profile. Welcome to KwikTeach. Let's start by registering your profile. First, go to kwikteach.com and click on the Register Now button at the top right corner. Now, fill in your basic details like your full name, email address, and phone number. Choose a strong password for your account. Here, you will see a drop-down menu. If you are a teacher, select Teacher to create your tutor profile. If you are a student or a parent, select the student/parent option. Please check your email inbox and don't forget the spam folder. Open the welcome email from KwikTeach and click on Verify My Email to activate your account. Now that you're in your dashboard, click Update Your Profile. Fill in your professional details like your specialty, gender, location, and a brief description of your teaching experience. Set your fee structure, whether it's hourly or monthly, and enter your minimum and maximum fees. Then, add your total years of teaching experience, both offline and online. Complete the remaining details. Choose your availability, upload a professional profile photo, and provide a valid ID proof. Finally, select the languages you can teach in and click Update and Next. How to resend verification. If you didn't receive your verification email, don't worry. Go to the login page and enter your details. If your email isn't verified yet, a pop-up will appear. Click on Resend Verification Email. Enter your registered email address and click the link. Now, check your inbox again and click the new verification link to get started. How to reset your password. Forgot your password? No problem. On the login page, if you enter the wrong password, click on Forgot Password. Enter your registered email address and click Send Reset Link. Check your email for the Reset Your Password message and click the button inside. Enter your new password and click Update Password. You can now log in with your new credentials. Welcome to your updated teacher dashboard.